about the basic arithmetic operations with the help of our ESP32. Okay, so now we have detailed knowledge of our ESP32 and we have the interfacing knowledges also, but we have to get into the another application like the basic arithmetic operations. So we are just interfaced our keyboard and LCD to display the keys pressed, but the next operation is to perform the key pressed, and the keys have to be performed by the basic operations like addition, subtraction, difference and product. Okay, so now we are going to just have a brief glance of our program. As we know, void setup is nothing but to display all our conditions, and now I am going to start my serial begin. That is, I have to get my output in my serial monitor. So I am just describing my baud rate, and we can change this baud rate according to you. I have just given this baud rate for because in previously we have given my baud rate of 9600, so I am just changing my baud rate. And delay, we can specify our own delay. I am just giving the delay of 1000. And next we are describing like AB. So the basic operation is between the two variables, that is A and B, and these two variables have to be defined. So if for example, if I am giving the variable value as 20, what can be the variable type? Integer. If it is 20.5 or 30.5, what
float
will be? Very good, float. So we know that if it is an integer or it is an character or it is an variable, what type of variable we know, right? So we have to define our variables, and after defining we have to define our variable whether it is an int float for the sum, difference, product and division. So these sum, difference, product, division is also another variable where our operation is to be stored, correct? So first one is our int sum a plus b. So we are performing the operation a plus b, and that a plus b will be stored in the sum variable. And difference is nothing but the minus operation, which is a minus b, and product is nothing but the multiplication operation, and division is nothing but the a divided by b. And here also you can see the division, we have the output in the point, so we are defining it as the float. So others variables are in int, and the division alone we are defining in the float. And next one is serial dot print lin, and these are the serial dot print is nothing but to print the statement. So what I have to print is basic arithmetic operations. Yes, first statement will be basic arithmetic operation, and second one is I have to print the first variable, second variable, and during the first variable I have to call the variable also. So I am calling out the variable, and next is the second variable b, and next is sum, difference, product, division. So defining the variable, performing the operation, and calling of my variables with the respect to their statements. And in void loop I am just giving it as an empty loop. Now as usual we are going to compile my program and going to check my compilation state. If there is any error, I can rectify here itself. Yes, the compilation sketch is going good. Yes, once the compile operation is done, it will be displayed here, and I am going to upload my program. Before uploading, we should always make sure whether our board is connected and the port is connected. So this symbol stands for our port connection. So once the board is connected, you should also check for the port connection. I have dumped the program. It is connecting with my board. Yes, you can see it is writing the code in my board. Yes, 100% done, and leaving the board with the pins for our ready state. And now I can check in my serial monitor. Just opening my serial monitor, the code is yes, done. Basic arithmetic operation, I am displaying the A value, B value and the other basic operations. You can see here, right? So these are the basic operation, and now we can combine this basic operation with our interfacing operations, so it acts as a basic calculator.